the same موز اللي معاك دي شكلها روسيا. The flower, the pharaoh defining this plant in Upper Egypt. They worship this plant for many reasons. First, you can see the flower has a lot of branches like sun rays.
Oh, this is the flower.
Yes, the pharaoh they say holy because looks like sun. One so tough, not easy break. So the ancient people used it to make sandals, shirt, boat, basket. Yes, in ancient time, not now.
Not now.
Yes, in
So
ancient
you
time.
throw it away.
In ancient time, they do it.
Not now.
Not now.
Because it comes from China, quick.
No, that's from
The
Egypt. You
sandals
see.
and all. No, what I mean is nowadays everything comes from
Yes,
China,
now
so
in
we
whole
don't have to
world,
make.
yeah, in whole world now the imitation stuff.
I know.
But this one you see, look at this. This is why it's so strong. So they
So
use
they
it to
make
make
sandals.
sandals and see how many good
No
stuff.
more.
No more of it. But the inner one, it's very important because the papyrus paper made it out of the white one. So they make it the paper like this, very similar slides. But this one now, it is breakable.
To get the
And also using roll pen. Did you see the water and sugar?
yeah.
It's come out.
There is sugar in there?
Yes, it looks like sugar cane, but not exactly like that. You see,
And
this
this
is
juice tastes sugar?
no. You see that one now?
Milk.
More flexible. So the ancient people they know there is some gelatin. So when they put it in the water, the gelatin absorbing the water became like natural glue. Because how they make it this one stuck? Say 1 week, 1 week. After 2 weeks only, we can getting the earliest sheet of the papyrus like these one. Strong one. Yes, touch it.
So
شايل الأنسة.
tea.
Yes,
Thank
Egyptian
you.
tea. You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is what you get from this.
Yes.
And
Now,
that's
now,
why
now,
this is
now.
lasting. So
You
this
see?
will last for thousands and thousands of years.
Yes, look at this again. We can quiz it. How amazing this one, you see?
God. Not a tear, nothing.
Look at this again. You can touch it. You're gonna feel
like
a
a
little
cloth.
bit. Yes, a
It's
little
like a
bit,
cloth,
a
but
little
it's a
bit, a little
paper.
bit sticky.
Yeah.
Because the gelatin,
The
when
gelatin.
they make it back
Yeah.
again in the water, make it sticky.
Yeah.
This how this paper done. Why we do